So we have a lot of TMJ patients come to our practice. Most of the time it's a muscle problem, not a joint problem. And what I mean by that is the muscles are firing because the bite is not correct. And so we fix bites, and then we fix the patient's bite, and then in doing so, we can correct a lot of these TMJ issues. Most of the time it takes a deprogrammer. It's an appliance that we can fabricate that they only hit in one spot, and it allows their joints to seat fully. And then in doing that, they get relief from the muscles stop firing so much. And then we get them on some muscle relaxants or ibuprofen or some kind of hot or cold, and we get them out of pain.